सदाशिवसमारम्भा शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमा अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees who are sitting around the world to create the N effect at the same time. Just sit now with a deep, unclutched mood. I am giving instruction to devotees sitting all over the world. You will see the intense N effect created inside you within next few minutes. I am already connecting with all of you. I can see that you are all connecting with all of me, not just virtually, virtually. Los Angeles, can you raise your hand? Yes, I could see. And San Jose is already in the N effect. Seattle, yes. Columbus, yes. Houston, yes. Dallas, Toronto, Germany, wow. Turkey, great. Today is Healer's Day. All over the world, all our devotees, ashram centers celebrate Healer's Day. Today's subject is heal yourself and heal the cosmos. Today we will do it literally. Let me define healing. This is exactly my message for Healer's Day. Please understand, I am telling you the honest, simple, straightforward truth. Yesterday, I was reading a book, American Veda, where they are thoroughly analyzing the Hindu gurus, Hindu philosophy, Vedic traditions' influence on America. They are analyzing from a very critical angle all the good contributions and the great contributions of gurus and the scandals happened around them, how some survived, some did not. They are analyzing the whole cumulative effect of all this on American civilization, the American mind. When I was going through, it was shocking to see the amazing impact done on American psyche, American consciousness by the handful of Babas and Gurus and Swamis. Without an organized network, even with so much of scandals being systematically created around them. Then I contemplated whole night, what can be the reason? Without a proper, amazing organizing structure or a friendly network among themselves? How could they create such huge impact on the American consciousness? I realized, I can say, reconfirmed my realization that Vedic tradition does not need a marketing department. The strength of the philosophy, the strength of the truth puts anybody into the throne if they just decide to represent it as much as they understand. That's all. I tell you, you don't need to do anything. How much you understand, represent that part, that's enough. If you understand only ritual part, pouring ghee on that fire, you don't know anything else. You represent that part. You will be in the throne. Because the Vedic tradition is time-tested, foolproof. Anything you understand, represent that, you will be sharing a strong, honest truths with the world. If you understand only washing and clothing the deities, you don't know anything else. But you can wash some deity morning till evening and clothe them properly, put food in front and wave incense sticks. You are good at it. You understand only that part of the Vedic tradition. You don't know anything else. Just represent that. You will see the power of the tradition puts you in throne. Or you don't understand washing the deities or pouring ghee in the homa. You only just understand a few Sanskrit words. You can repeat like a parrot. You will read from some Upanishad or from some Purana and repeat like a parrot. That is enough. Represent that. You will be transforming thousands. Or you don't know any of these creative things. Like pouring ghee in the fire, or pouring water on the deity, or pouring some words on your disciples which you may not have understood. You know only one thing, left and right you can criticize everybody. Start even that. Because I saw, when I was reading yesterday that book American Veda, some of the gurus have become great, popular gurus, well-known gurus, not by their contribution, just by their power of criticizing. Vedic tradition is so powerful, anything in any small dimension, any way you understand, the moment you represent that tradition, it puts you in throne, because the tradition is so powerful, foolproof, time-tested. Understand? I am giving you the essence of the tradition without any manipulation, interpolation, interpretation, or the stuff added for marketing. Usually in all huge equipments, there will be a small, in one corner, there will be a small ring attached so that you can pull and push, easy handling. Same way, whenever truth is delivered by some organization or an organized gurus, there will be one ring attached for the sake of sales, easy marketing. Here I am giving you the honest truth without that ring of easy marketing attached, as it is. Please understand, the truth as it is I am sharing with you, the secret of healing, the essence of healing. The definition of healing, just be. You will heal your body and people who are around you and the whole cosmos. Please understand, just be. nothing else. Be in your body. As and now, you know one thing, you are having a body and you are aware of having a body. You are being aware of having a body. Please understand. Just be inside what you think as your body. That's enough. You may think, what is this? That is what we are doing. No. You think you are inside your body. You are never inside your body. Be inside your body. First thing will happen to you is, you will heal that intense pain and battered consciousness you are carrying. When you decide to be inside your body, the power of present moment will work on you. Power of the present moment always heals your system. That is why I am telling you again and again and again. I am reminding you, just come back to your body. Just be. Even now, decide till the end of this satsang, decide you will be heavily present, intensely present in your body. You will see healing happening in you. Be. Just be in your body intensely. Suddenly you will see the compassion biomemory, intelligence biomemory, awareness biomemory, all of them are kindled, awakened in you for no reason, because being is the right button you need to push. Be intensely inside your boundary, inside your skin, in this moment. You will really see your body, mind, inner space gets intensely healed. Nothing else needs to be done. Anything else is a ring attached to the gadget for easy pulling and pushing. To heal the cosmos and to heal yourself, you don't need anything else. Just be. Biggest problem is, we think that be is too simple or too difficult. Don't decide it is too simple and think it will not bring the result. No. Don't think it is too complicated because you failed last few times and stop making effort. No. Neither thinking it is too simple, it will not bring effort, bring the right effect on you, nor thinking it is too complicated, it will not be possible for you, is going to help you. Just try to be now. If you are not able to do after half an hour, forget about it. It's okay. Now, for the next half an hour, all of you have decided to be around me. Decide just to spend this time be. Once you catch the taste of being, just be. I don't need to inspire you continuously. I don't need to give sermons to put you into the Vedantic experience. No. Your very living will be healing you and the cosmos. Just be. That is what I am talking for last 10 years with various different words. Whether I talk about chakra, kosha, sarira, unclutching, whatever I talk, finally I land on this one truth, just be. Nothing else. Just be what you think as your body. You will see the powerful effect on you. I can tell you, being is the best techniceless technique. Process beyond all the process. Meditation beyond all the meditation. What Buddha describes as tatata, isness. What Shankara describes, purna, fulfillment or fullness. What I describe as unclutching or nityananda. The whole thing boils down to be. Just be. Understand? My message on the Healers' Day to all the healers who belong to Nityananda Sampradaya and all the healers who belong to all the traditions, all the different religious, spiritual, ancient mystical traditions, and all the healers who belong to modern day traditions, whoever is in the field of healing the body and mind of all the beings in the planet Earth, my message to all of you is just be. Even if you are allopathy doctor, just learn how to be in your system. The effect of healing you create on your patients will be intense, amazing, surprising, and positively shocking. Whether you are a medical professional or psychological healer or spiritual healer, whatever healer you may be, whatever way you may be healing body, mind and the spirit of the planet Earth, add this one simple truth in your life. Just learn to be. You will heal yourself and the world. Even if you are not in the field of healing, if you want to heal yourself and the cosmos, I am giving you this process of technique. Just be. Intense compassion will start oozing out through your very system. Nothing can help you and the world like the intense compassion. I can say, intense compassion which oozes out when you are just in being is the Sarvaroga Nivarani, cure for all diseases in the world. The first message I sent to all our devotees all over the world who are gathering at Tiruvannamalai. Please understand, this is my message to all the devotees who are assembling in Tiruvannamalai to celebrate my birthday, my Jayanti on 29th December. have deep love, patience and compassion. During this largest religious persecution happened in this year, throughout this religious persecution, we proved our integrity and our strength just because of our compassion, love and non-violent approach towards this whole scandal. In hundreds of places, thousands of our devotees have been physically, verbally attacked, abused, but we proved our strength by non-violence and by patience. I request all our devotees to adopt the same method of patience and non-violence, even if you are physically, mentally abused. Don't attack them back. Retain your patience. Remain in the honest, integrated compassion. Please understand, when I say integrated compassion, I mean compassion intellectually understood and digested. Not just the compassion of fear. Sometimes compassion can be shown if you are not interested in participating in life. You just want to move away from life. That can be projected as compassion. No. You are all going to participate in the program. You are not going to escape, move away from life. But you are going to show intense, integrated compassion. Please understand, this is my message to all the devotees who are gathering from all over the world. Radiate intense peace, silence, patience, and intellectually integrated compassion. I tell you, learn the art of being, science of being. Extraordinary compassion will be expressing through your system. Extraordinary love will be expressing through your system. Extraordinary understanding about life will be radiating through your system. You will heal yourself and the cosmos. I can say this is the essence of Vedic tradition. When I was reading that book, American Veda, I understood how systematically the Hindu gurus and masters are pulled and scandals are created around them. How the whole unit is dedicated to do this job full time, funding the wrong people, inserting them into an organization, making them feel frustrated. Even those people who are funded and supported by the particular groups do not know they are inserts. They just feel they are doing an honest service of what they experienced. It is such a dirty system of destroying an amazing, thousands of years old tradition. It is time all the Hindu gurus, swamis, religious leaders belong to the Vedic tradition. Wake up. I am giving you the wake up call. After studying thoroughly, not only studying, going through with a strong, I can say one of the largest scandal and religious persecution happened in the recent times. I am talking to all of you, addressing all the healers around the world who belong to the Hindu tradition or who have received the inspiration from Hindu tradition, and the devotees, disciples, followers, practicing Hindus, I request and call on all of you, it is time to wake up and stop this continuous onslaught on Vedic tradition and Vedic gurus, and continuous scandals created on Vedic tradition and Vedic gurus. It is time we all stand up to heal the world. If not, I am afraid the very signs of healing may disappear from the planet Earth, which will be too costly. Too costly. It's time we wake up and send a message of compassion, healing in a non-violent way to the whole universe, whole planet Earth, in a systematic, organized, non-violent, but strong way. Strong way as huge spiritual wave. So, I request all the devotees around the world. Now, I'll sit with you all for 3 minutes. Just be. Let us create the intense effect on your body and on the world. Let's heal us and the cosmos. Please just close your eyes and just be. Unclutch and be. No need for any mantra, meditation, nothing. Just unclutch and be. I'll see that all of you experience the intense N effect as the part of the N effect. You may experience physical or psychological levitation, peace, bliss, anything. Just allow it. Let the N effect happen on all of you and the cosmos. Let us heal the cosmos. Sarvo jana sukhino bhavantu. Let the intense N effect happen in the cosmos. Let all the auspicious energies unite and positively explode, awaken the cosmos spiritually. Om Hreem. Om Hreem. Om Hreem. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Let the whole world be blessed with this cosmic auspicious energy. Let us all heal us and the world just by being. I bless you all to achieve, experience, live, radiate, express and share the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.